Okay, once again, RJ and I thought we would do our annual Hess Truck unveiling. We're going to unbox the 2022 Hess Truck. It's got a really nice antique look to it. So we'll demonstrate all the features for you. So go ahead, RJ, we'll take that bad boy out of there. Alright, it comes with two hot rods on the back. It's got a nice 1920s antique truck look to it. Go ahead and take the cars out too, RJ, and we'll demonstrate those as well. First we'll look at the rollback. RJ will show you all the features of that. RJ, if you want to pull the battery protector out of it. And there's three positions. There's off. There's also constant on. And the last position will make it blink. You can also test the noises that come with it. It's got some really cool engine noises. And the horn. And then it has hot rods peeling out. And then the last button just makes all the lights blink. Now we'll look at the cars. The cars have those pullback motors on them, and they'll also do wheelies. So RJ, you want to turn on the lights and toss or roll one here forward, and you catch it and I'll make it roll back and do a wheelie. Okay, here we go. Now we'll demonstrate the wheelie feature. Yeah. And the cars will go quite a ways. The rollback motors work really well in them. And it also, when you pull the ramp out, it makes a noise like the ramp would make. And it does it again when you push it back in. This year the battery protector can be put back in the toy as well as taken out. In previous years it was just a little green strip of paper. This year it's plastic, so you can actually put it back in, and that helps keep the batteries from bleeding voltage when you're not using it. Go ahead, RJ, you can pop that back in just like that. Also remember, when you go to store these toys, to take the batteries out because they will corrode. And especially if you go to buy some of the older ones, the seller may say that they've never been out of the box. That usually means that the batteries have already destroyed the little toy that's in them. So keep that in mind too. It's a buyer beware. So there you have it, all the features. We're glad to once again make our little video for our Hess trucks. It's a really nice one. I love the antique look of the rollback as well as the cars. So thanks again for watching. Take care and never forget, Jesus is Lord. God bless.